Welcome to the dawn of a new era in space exploration. Imagine a world where space stations aren't isolated outposts, but part of a connected network accessible to each other without the need for a dedicated launch. This is the Orbital Arc, a concept for standardizing space. Station orbits to make travel between them efficient, affordable, and potentially life-saving. By 2026, a new commercial space station, Vast Habitat 1, is scheduled to launch, coexisting with the venerable ISS until around the ISS retirement around 2030. But how do we make this multi-station future work seamlessly? Let's dive in. First, the foundation, a standard orbit. We adopt a universal inclination of about 51 degrees, the same proven path as the ISS. Why 51 degrees? It's accessible from most launch sites worldwide. This makes sending crews and supplies straightforward and cost-effective. In the coming years, as the International Space Station approaches its planned retirement in 2030, a wave of commercial space stations is poised to revolutionize low Earth orbit activities, focusing on research, manufacturing, and tourism. Leading the pack is Vast Haven 1, the world's first fully commercial station, now targeted for launch in early 2027 aboard a SpaceX Falcon 9, accommodating up to 4 crew members for short missions with high-speed Starlink connectivity. Following closely, Axiom. Space's modular Axiom station plans to deploy its first module no earlier than 2027, initially attaching to the ISS before becoming independent, with capacity for 8 and support for ongoing robotic operations like Canadarm2. Blue Origin's Orbital Reef, a collaborative business park with Sierra Space and others, aims for operations by 2027, featuring inflatable habitats for up to 10 people and emphasizing cost-effective research. Starlab from Voyager Space and Airbus is slated for 2028, offering a metallic structure for full crew and advanced labs. Additional efforts include Sierra Space's Life Pathfinder module in 2026 as a precursor, and Vast's larger Haven 2 in 2028. NASA's Commercial Low Earth Orbit Destinations program is funding these via 2026 awards to ensure seamless transition and innovation in space. The benefits are massive. Servicing multiple space stations with a single vehicle, like SpaceX's Starship, becomes far cheaper. For manned transport, we achieve the lowest possible delta V between stations, meaning less fuel and faster transits. Stations clustered in. This orbital arc could be just hours apart, enabling on-orbit rapid rescue in emergencies. Now, picture the orbital arc in action, a series of specialized space stations in low Earth orbit, closely spaced for easy hops. This fosters collaboration across governments, private, companies, and international partners. One station for research, another for tourism, a third for manufacturing. At the heart of the Arc sits a central space station built around SpaceX's Starship architecture. This powerhouse hub leverages Starship's enormous payload capacity. A core module derived from the Starship upper stage, outfitted with expansive living quarters, labs, and storage for dozens of crew. It becomes the new center point, coordinating the network and serving as a grand hub for transfers. Enter the low Earth orbit taxi, a nimble, reusable in-space shuttle built for short orbital hops. This small vehicle, designed to carry just a few people, 4 to 6 crew, plus cargo, features 2 key docking systems for maximum compatibility and flexibility. A standard IDSS dock, the same proven interface used on crew. Dragon, Starliner, and ISS adapters, ensuring seamless connection to most existing and upcoming stations in the Arc, including the ISS itself while it remains operational, and a larger IDSS V2 style dock, double the size, positioned on a Starship space station, matching the enhanced docking port developed for crew Starship variants. This bigger interface allows faster crew and cargo transfer when docking directly to larger vehicles or modules, as well as larger components. For the central Starship-based space station, the central Starship hub acts as the anchor, while the LEO taxi makes the connections effortless and rapid. In summary, the Orbital Arc standardizes orbits at 51 degrees for lower costs, faster transits, and enhanced safety. With a central Starship-based station, versatile LEO taxis equipped with IDSS and larger IDSS V2 docks, and dedicated Starship-compatible options at the hub, we're turning space from a frontier into a connected neighborhood or industrial park. This concept could make low Earth orbit truly accessible and collaborative by many countries and companies in the 2030s.